Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix Cash App not working. Let me show you here. When I try to open Cash App, it's showing here something went wrong. Please check your network connection. As you can see guys, so if you want to fix this type of error, just simply you have to close this page. And after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to make sure that you are using latest version. So for that you have to search for the app, and as you can see guys, I'm using the latest version of the app. So after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to go to settings. Now from here guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to go to apps, and from here you have to go to app list. Now let me show you here guys, you have to search for that app. Now from here you have to clear the cache or clear the storage of the app. Let me show you here. I'm going to clear the cache or clear the storage. Then you have to force stop the app, and after that check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, then I have a method for you. So let me show you here. You have to download a VPN from App Store, Play Store. So I have already downloaded. Its name is Hotspot Shield. So let me tell you that this is not free. You have to watch the ad to connect with that. Let me watch ad. Now you can see guys, I have watched the ad. Let me show you here. Now I'm going to connect with it. As you can see guys, now I'm connected with this. Let me show you here if it's working or not. As you can see guys, it's asking me to create an account because I have logged out from the Cash App, because I have cleared the cache of storage. That's why I will be logged out from here. So you have to log in your account from here. Okay guys, so that's pretty much for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.